Kayla came in with her 5th Gen Camaro and an interior that looked bare bones. She had one goal in mind: give me an unbelievable sound system, but make it look OEM. We got right to work. In the previous videos, you saw us disassemble the interior, install new front and rear Kenwood speakers with some custom door panels to make the new speakers look OEM and right at home, install a new Kenwood head unit to support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rewrap her entire headliner, A and C pillars with Alcantara, and make a custom amp rack to sit in the trunk to house the amps and all the clean wires set up. In this episode, you're gonna see us build an insane sub box. It's gonna sit right where the rear seats would be and look like it rolled straight out of the factory like this. Let's get into it.
This is the back piece for the Camaro box. We're gonna do some fiberglass work and a little wood, a little hybrid box, is what I like to call them. As you see here, I already cut out the little notch area. It doesn't quite fit down to here where I need to, so from here I'm gonna try just transferring the back side of this and see if it'll give me that nice angled wedge to the floor. So as you can see, we're closer to the floor now. So from here, I'm gonna have to probably do a lot of hand shaping with the angle grinder just to get it to lay in there a little better. Alright, so I'm laying down my base resin layer right now before I put the actual fiberglass down in here, just so that I have some material underneath it. Helps with the air bubbles. We're doing all this because we are going to put subs back here. So what I'm doing here basically is this is the base layer of the bottom of the sub box. Everything else will be MDF. Also, the fiberglass is going to give us less of material buildup, so the MDF obviously is 3/4. This is going to be like a 1/4 inch. So we'll be able to achieve more airspace. We are doing the final layer of fiberglass. If it needs another layer, I can still do it outside the car, because at this point it's not going to flex anymore. Alright, so I just finished up the fiberglass inside the enclosure here for the Camaro. We did have a few questions about airspace. It's 100% going to be right within what the sub needs. If I do need to add any polyfill, the polyfill will slow down the air and make the sub think it's in a little bit larger enclosure. But these subs only require 0.6 per sub, ported or sealed. And with the airspace I have here, we should be within by like a 1/10. In this enclosure, I used a 1/2 inch MDF, but I double layered it and laminated it together to achieve a 1 inch, but I also wanted the recess for the sub so I get clearance, so I'm not building up a bunch of layers and getting too much height. From here, I'll build another top plate that has like some nice reveals. I'll use this template right here and make it my own, kind of shorten it up, give it a better look to fit the area. Then I'll get everything wrapped. right, so I just finished up getting the acrylic piece ready for the back area of the car between the seat and the cab. We're gonna put Kayla's logo right here in the middle. I'm gonna paint the backside black so that when the logo is not lit up, it'll just look like a black piece of acrylic, and then when the light comes on, her logo will really pop. So what you're looking at here is the sub box for Kayla's Camaro. What I did was I gave it a nice transition from the squared off to a nice kind of rounded area. Got some nice insert grills that'll be wrapped in suede. From here, I'm gonna fill in these little gaps that we have left and kind of give it more of a rounded feel instead of having those sharp points where the mud meets. And then I'll wrap it up and we'll put the subs in. All right, so we got the sub enclosure all the way in Kayla's car. I got my grills wrapped in the Alcantara. I got the subs mounted, the boxes all the way in. I got my trim panel all the way done. What you see in the back right there is that's the rear panel where the acrylic is gonna go.
All right, we made it here to Good Guys in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it is finally time for the grand reveal for the interior project of this Camaro alongside Scottsdale Restoration. So I want to give you guys a reveal of all the work that was done. Come this way. So the head unit is in with that new display screen. We also have the entire paneling of the backseat area all completed, wrapped in Alcantara and leather, with the hidden panels that reveal the subwoofers, and they custom engraved my logo on the acrylic in the back seat, and that illuminates when you key on the car for a nice teal to match the accents around the vehicle. If you come in towards the back, you'll see the amps in the trunk, and we also laid down some nice new carpeting in the trunk here since it was all bare bones before. Be sure to subscribe to the Scottsdale Restoration's YouTube channel and stay tuned because there's a lot of upcoming fun projects coming on the channel.